Welcome to Joytel eSIM. How to use eSIM for iPhone. Open Settings and tap Cellular. Then tap Add Cellular Plan. Scan the eSIM QR code. Tap Add Cellular. Then tap Continue. You can choose Travel or type in Joytel. Tap Continue. Then select to use Joytel for cellular data only. Tap Done. The last step is particularly important. Turn on data roaming. You need to wait a little while, then open your Google to test if you can get online well. Thank you for using Joytel's eSIM and have a great trip.